When using flash, not everything needs to be dramatic, not everything needs to be epic. Okay, you can use flash to simulate natural light. You can use flash, of course, to create dramatic images, as long as you have in mind that what you want at the end, and as long as you can reach that goal, that what matters. Okay, so because if you don't know what the picture should look like at the end, you don't know where you're going to put your lights. You don't know how you're going to pose. If you don't know how you're going to pose, how are you going to know how to direct your subject? I mean, you need 1 light, 2 lights, 3 lights. I mean, if you don't have that final picture, and sometimes I get it. Sometimes you don't have everything, like the whole image inside your head, but at least some direction. Start working on that, guys. Start working on the direction. What do I want here? Get to a scene. When you walk into a scene, the first thing that you should do a 360. Look around you, right? Sometimes we get focused on a spot, and there's a better spot right by the side. You'll miss it. Okay, so do a 360. Make sure that you are on the best spot, right? And when you find your spot, start thinking how is the final picture going to look like. This is mindset of a photographer. This is the mindset of a flash photographer. This is the mindset of a successful photographer, because people who are successful in photography, it doesn't happen from night to day, and it doesn't happen as an accident. Every single step needs to be planned. We need to have control over what we do,